Welcome to our video tutorial on Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migration. In today's digital landscape, businesses often face the challenge of consolidating or restructuring their Office 365 environments. Imagine a scenario where a company merges with another or rebrands, necessitating the seamless transfer of data, settings, and user accounts between different Office 365 tenants. Meet John, the IT administrator tasked with this critical migration. John explores using PowerShell commands and manual scripts to execute the migration, facing challenges like complex syntax, potential errors, data security concerns, and the need for extensive testing. This manual approach not only consumes valuable time but also increases the risk of data loss or disruption to business operations. Enter EdbMails Office 365 Migration Tool. Designed to simplify and automate tenant-to-tenant migrations, EdbMails offers a comprehensive solution to streamline the process. With features like automated data mapping, concurrent migration handling, and built-in error handling, EdbMails empowers administrators like John to execute migrations efficiently and securely, ensuring zero downtime. Worried about missing emails after migration? Not with EdbMails. Our tool supports incremental migration, ensuring that only new or modified data is migrated during subsequent runs. This feature prevents data loss and allows you to remigrate as many times as needed, guaranteeing a complete and accurate transfer of data. Steps to perform Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migration using EdbMails. Step 1. Download and install EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website and complete the installation process on your system. Step 2. Launch EdbMails and connect to source tenant. Log into EdbMails application with the appropriate details, or click the Start Your Free Trial button. Select the Office 365 migration option from the drop-down list. Connect to Office 365 source tenant. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Step 3. Select mailboxes to migrate. Choose the specific mailboxes from the source tenant that you want to migrate to the target tenant. Step 4. Connect to target tenant. Connect EdbMails to the target Office 365 tenant where you intend to migrate the selected mailboxes. EdbMails automatically creates mailboxes and assigns licenses on your target servers. Step 5. Map source and target mailboxes. Map each mailbox from the source tenant to its corresponding mailbox in the target tenant within EdbMails. Step 6. Adjust migration settings and start migration. Configure migration settings such as date range, item types, emails, contacts, calendars, and other options as required. Assign a label or project name for easy tracking, and initiate the migration process.
Thanks for watching.